Good morning. It is 6:30. I don't know why I'm up so early. But it is December 1st, so I will be taking on the day with a holly jolly attitude. I decided to record the part where I do my makeup because this bare face, it needs a lot of work. I got this LED mirror. Wow. So here we go. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I don't know what to start with, but I think primer is a good idea. Whoa. I have the worst bags ever. The Lord skipped the step where he was supposed to fill in my bags. But it's okay because I at least have a personality. Okay, I don't know what's next, so I'm just gonna do eyes. Also, this is me getting ready to go to work. I will not be doing anything dramatic because my life already is. I don't know what else to do, but maybe bronzer. I've learned to go from the hairline down, never to push down. But again, what do I know? Okay, I'm gonna turn on my voice as a makeup artist in an alternate world. Ready? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a very basic look and I'm gonna be using the NYX eyeliner because it is so precise. The precision is key. Stay tuned because I've got an offer for you. I'm so good at this. Okay, back to our normal schedule. Okay, cool. I feel like this will do. This is like the scene in Princess Diaries when Mia Thermopolis Rinaldi says, "This is as good as it's gonna get." That's me literally every day. And this is the finished look for work today. Black like my soul and makeup at its very minimum because I don't know how to do it. Thank you. We're eating chicken and kimbap. We're also watching a documentary about cults because we're considering joining one. Yeah. Thank you.
What was he doing?
Today is December 5th, which means I'm 5 days late to putting up my Christmas tree. My Christmas decorations fit in one trash bag. Okay, you know what I need to do? Winter forest. Oh my god, holiday. Oh, yes. All the toxins get in my face. I also got into my Christmas PJs that I've had for over 10 years. Let us get started. Ow. Yay, floof her out a little. Oh my God, you're so cute. I remember you. You know what else I need to do to set the mood? Not watch Deal or No Deal. Let us put on
Hello Winter Cozy Cabin Ambiance with fireplace sounds, blizzard, and jazz for relaxation.
I'm gonna just go with that. That's nice. You know what I also got is this garland. But when I went there, it was broken. So I was like, is this an opportunity for me to get a discount? And I sure did. And that day, people were in good spirits because the cashier was like, hey, I was only supposed to give you 10%, but I'll give you 30% because you look like you could use it. What I do with these extra little like pieces of garland is to make her feel more full. We like a healthy tree. I want to make her look thick with 3 C's. Oh, cutie. Hello. See how it's like bunched up here? This can't happen. I'm not gonna let you live like this. Don't worry. I tried adding these, but these don't make sense because these have apparently snow on it. But then where would the snow be on the rest of these guys, you know? So I'm gonna give them a break this year. The last bit, she can go right here. Yay! Wrap it like how they wrap Chipotle burritos, you know? Whatever, close enough. Oh my God, oh yeah, I did it. Put her in here. Yay. Put her under the Christmas tree. What a vibe.
3, 2, 1. Okay, get over here. We'll go over the workout. 1, 2, 3. KRC. 4, 5, 6. Family.
You're just like trying to survive.
Look, he's steaming. Wow, 수고하셨습니다. Good job, Rachel. We did it.
구독, 좋아요, 알림 설정까지 댓글도.
That was so cute. I never get bills. So the one time I'm in Glendale, which is literally never, I had to get the mint mojito. And the shitty thing about getting a mint mojito is getting mint. I didn't get a drink. I just got back from a super long day running errands in Glendale. I got these ornaments. I got some gifts. Anyway, that's not the point. I wanted to, oh my God, hello, where? Tripod sucks. The point of this update was to say that I had so much to do that I totally forgot about lunch. So then I was like, oh my gosh, I'm in Glendale. There's like a Porto's around here. So I got me some Porto's. I got a spinach and feta thing. I got a potato ball, cheese ball, dulce de leche thing, cheese roll, guava cheese roll. And then across the street was Panera. And your girl's hungry because I haven't had lunch. So I was like, you know, I should probably get, and I did get. She was like, what side would you like with that? Do you want an apple, chips, or bread? And I was like, oh, I will be healthy because I just got all this Porto's. I was like, I'll get the apple. And then immediately I Uno reversed and I was like, actually give me the bread because the apple life ain't for me. Bread. This is important. This is the Porto's potato ball. Oh, look at her. Yes. Oh my God. Everything's okay. Everything's fine. We're all right. All is well. Feed a hungry girl and all is well.